Alright, welcome rednecks. I am your redneck in Vegas. Today we are on Lake Mead, Echo Bay. I got my buddy Keith.
What's going on?
Social media superstar. Tell him about your Instagram. What is it?
KWV611, I believe.
Check him out. He's got 9 million followers or something. We're gonna out here try to catch us some bass. We was out here last week, caught a few, but they were deep. We're gonna try to catch us a few more today. See.
Good man. On camera.
The daddy. This is a little guy. Whoa! It's a giant. We got us a giant here, folks.
Wow.
Let me hold it closer so you can see it.
Wow.
It is just a mega bass giant. Hold on. Let me be careful with it. Ooh. Boys and girls, I want you to take note here. This is biggins, okay? We don't be catching no. Let me show you what we're doing here. We got a Tennessee Shed Keitech 2.8 wing impact fat on a Dropshot. That's a secret bait right there. The 6-pound Invisex fluorocarbon tied to a mainline braid right here, but we got a long leader, got a drop shot weight, fishing in like 30-40 feet of water. Pretty deep out here back in this canyon. A little shady, a little breezy, but we've already caught one fish. My buddy's had a couple bites. We seen a beaver in here last week. This place is active. We got some fish marked on the graph. Right there, you can see them. But we ain't caught nothing yet in the last few minutes, but we gonna catch one. Oh, it's a good one, Keith. Maybe. It feels pretty good. It's not coming up. Yeah, it's a freaking good one, son. Get the net. Oh yeah, son, this is a freaking good one. Oh yeah, there's a giant right here, buddy. Yeah! Oh! I might just sling it in, dude. I think I'm just gonna sling it in.
That's a nice smallie.
Ooh, son! There's my red light flashing.
Yeah.
Oh, look
Nice
at that,
one,
dude.
Nice
That's
smallie.
a freaking good one right there, son. Oh, oh, look at that, boy. Yeah, see his little, woo, boy. Yeah. Yeah.
Need help, bro?
No, I'm
Got
just,
it? You good?
I'm getting footage, bro.
Okay.
Oh my god. Dude, look at that. I mean, it's giant, dude. I'm not kidding, bro. No, man, I'm not kidding, bro. Dude, this is giant, bro. Oh no, come here. You alright, buddy? Oh, dude. Giant, bro. Come up here. Look at this fish.
Oh my God, dude.
Yeah! Oh yeah, right here, baby. Yeah!
Dude, that's a 5. You gotta weigh that bad boy.
Oh my gosh!
You gotta weigh that.
Oh my gosh! Look at this fish, bro. Is that right? Did you fall down?
Yeah. Dude, I'm good.
Oh my gosh, dude. On the big 273.
That's it?
Yeah. 275.
Wow.
275, dude. 275. Look at that, dude. Get my phone, bro. Look at this fish, bro. Is it good background?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Huh? Make sure you
Oh,
get
yeah.
close-ups. Alright, we did not get the chance to finish up the video, so I wanted to give you a quick recap. The last thing you seen there was a big old largemouth on a big spinnerbait, slow rolling that thing. We had fun, caught quite a few fish. Fall fishing can be tough luck sometimes, but we had a good day. Thanks for watching, and remember, go fishing because you know you love it. Thanks for watching Redneck in Vegas. Boom!